In a normal circumstance, we'll install the new shoes onto a backplate that is currently installed. In this instance, we are demonstrating on a tabletop for ease of viewing. I recommend you start by taking a picture of the backing plate to easily remember where everything is located. There are many ways to remove these components, but I'm using a brake tool. This tool has several different sides. We can see on the rounded section that this is how we remove the springs. The handle of this tool has a flat section, and this will help you reinstall the springs. And the plier portion of this tool can be used to gain leverage in order to stretch springs onto their post. Using your brake tool, remove the two springs at the top of the backplate. Next, remove the retaining washer. Next, we will remove the brake adjustment screw. Spread the brake pads apart so that you can get the adjustment brake screw loose. It's important to note that you might need to adjust it to its most minimal size depending on what your current adjustment is. Once we have, remove the final spring. Use a spring removal tool to press down on the spring washer and rotate it 90 degrees so the pin lines up with the hole, and then when the spring washer extends, the pin should come free and the spring will come off. Next, insert the pins through the backside of the backplate that will hold the spring washer into place. Push down and rotate 90 degrees so that the pin faces perpendicular to the hole on the spring washer. It's easiest to attach the lowermost spring before reinstalling our brake adjustment screw. Install the retention washer. Next, using the brake tool, use the flat side to guide the spring over the post. We will do the same for the final spring, ensuring that both are fully seated.